Hey there, fellow seekers. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most profound and intriguing topics, the interconnectedness of consciousness and the universe. Buckle up, because this one's going to expand your mind and spark your curiosity. Throughout history, thinkers from every corner of the world have pondered the nature of consciousness. As Carl Jung once said, the meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed. This hints at how consciousness not only shapes our inner world, but may also interact with the universe itself. First, let's start with the basics. What is consciousness? In its simplest form, consciousness is the state of being aware of and able to think about one's own existence, thoughts, and surroundings. It's what allows us to experience the world, to feel joy, sorrow, curiosity, and wonder. It's been described as the hard problem of science because while we can measure brain activity, understanding the subjective experience remains elusive. As William James put it, the stream of consciousness is not a thing but a process, always flowing. Consciousness is not a single, flat experience, but exists on multiple levels. At the most basic level, we have wakefulness, our ability to stay alert and interact with our environment. Then there's self-awareness, the recognition that we are individuals, separate from others. And finally, we have metaconsciousness, our ability to reflect on our thoughts and experiences. Imagine it as a spectrum from mere survival instinct to profound self-reflection. These different levels suggest that consciousness is dynamic and constantly shifting, influencing how we perceive reality and our place within it. Some theories even propose that our state of consciousness could affect how we interpret time and space itself. Now, think about how consciousness shapes our human experience. Every sensation, every emotion, every memory, all products of our conscious mind. It's what makes us human, what gives our lives richness and depth. From ancient mystics to modern neuroscientists, the belief that consciousness is more than just brain activity has persisted. I regard consciousness as fundamental, said Max Planck, the father of quantum theory. I regard matter as derivative from consciousness. This perspective challenges the idea that our thoughts and emotions are merely byproducts of physical processes. But consciousness isn't just an isolated phenomenon within our brains. Some theories suggest that it's intricately linked with the universe itself. Quantum mechanics, for instance, proposes that consciousness might play a role in shaping reality. If you ever wondered whether the universe is aware of itself through us, you're not alone. The concept that consciousness and the universe are interconnected isn't limited to science. Many spiritual traditions describe a universal mind or cosmic consciousness, an awareness that permeates all of existence. Could our individual consciousness be just a fragment of a larger universal experience? The interconnectedness of consciousness in the universe is more than just a philosophical musing. It's a thrilling intersection of science, spirituality, and the quest for understanding our place in the cosmos. Some scientists even speculate that if consciousness is fundamental, it could explain the observer effect in quantum mechanics, where the act of observing changes the behavior of particles. Could it be that consciousness is not only shaped by the universe, but also plays a role in shaping it? So what do you think? Is consciousness a mere byproduct of our brains, or does it hold a deeper cosmic significance? Let's keep this conversation going. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into these mysteries in future episodes, exploring how consciousness might bridge the gap between science and spirituality, and what this means for our understanding of reality itself.